Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I said in the last video that I was going to upload a bunch of videos that I did not upload. So that was a lie, but I do intend to get to them. But I'm doing one on my phone, because if it's on my phone, I'll definitely upload it. And what we have today, do you want to tell them?
It's an MRE that is from...
Well, I don't remember. It came from Belarus. It was either Russian or German. I can't actually remember. I think it's a Russian one. But why don't we open, well, first we'll show, I don't know if you can really see that, the package. But it's got, I taped over our address, but it's kind of neat because you can see, I mean, if you're from Belarus, I suppose, this looks normal to you. But if you're not, this is what you get when you order something from there. So it's kind of cool, I thought.
Also, I just realized something and I want to show you. My knife has a little glass breaker.
Oh, cool. It's a tactical kind of knife thing.
Yeah.
So go ahead, I guess, and open it up, Tommy. What we're going to do is one video just showing the MRE itself and all the contents, and then we'll...
And we're going to, like, put it into, like, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Correct. And then we're going to do later a dinner. And we may have more, too. Sometimes these 24-hour ones end up being...
like, snacks and everything. It's insane.
Pretty diesel bag, or box, I mean. You know, if you need some help.
I am strong, boy. I am foot number. Oh. I simply open it like that. Give us just 10 more years, guys. Sticky knife is... Jesus.
Please don't say that on the videos.
Here we go. It's wrapped in a big way. Okay.
What's that?
No idea. It smells good.
It's either mints or gum, I think. It's an extra. It doesn't look like it's part of the main ration packet. But, yeah. Some kind of breath freshener. That's kind of a minty smell. That's kind of cool. Give us a little extra something.
Something.
So it was yeah, I think that's Russian. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it looks Russian. It does indeed look Russian.
So I think if you open it from that side, I think we have a zipper, right?
Yeah.
Zipper pouch. Yeah, a little bit of a hiss coming off of it, I think. It was pretty tightly bagged.
And now we're on another box.
I don't remember which menu. They've got all this stuff listed on the back, which I would never be able to read.
Yep, this is Russian.
Cool. We did do a Russian one once before, but they had a good deal to get another one, so hopefully there's some stuff that's new.
These.
All right,
these.
yeah.
We've got matches. Oh, we've got like a little thing to strike it.
Match striker.
Yeah. And we've got just millions of crackers. Apparently this entire MRE is crackers.
Get some disinfecting wipes.
Oh, we got a camp stove. We've got a stove.
Sweet. We have another one of these. We've had this one before.
Yeah. But we have a concealed thing inside of a metal package. Aluminium, to be exact.
It's some kind of a spread. Luckily, there's no smell coming off of it.
This is like probably not a cereal bar, but it's some kind of bar. This is definitely like powder.
A drink powder of some kind?
Perhaps.
So we actually, these are all 4 different spreads. So you can, I mean, I can't read them, of course, but I can see that they're all different types. So
We've got these. All right, I think I found the main courses. So we've got 3 packages. They all look exact like the same.
okay, go ahead.
They look like this. There's 3 of them.
Now, is the writing different though? Could they be different things?
Yeah, they're definitely different things.
Let's see if the focus is
It's
still.
just they look like very similar. There's a bunch of just like random powders and stuff that I'm not really showing you. This is definitely salt and pepper. I'm pretty sure because if it'll focus. I think it really wants to focus on your face.
Well, if you press in the middle of the screen, it'll refocus on the close item, and then press the button again, it'll refocus over here.
No, it's just it wants to focus your face.
Well, it is misguided in that respect.
Sugar, I'm guessing. More sugar.
It says sugar on the back. See?
Yeah.
It has both.
Well, I mean, it's in a different. It might be in a different language. You don't know. It's very, very, very different.
What's interesting is there's a little bit of rust on this. I don't know if they gave us an old one.
Let me see.
Say.
Oh yeah, there is.
Doesn't really matter that much.
This I think is gum. Because you can feel there's 2 of them.
Okay.
And I'm really, so far I'm really excited to try these little balls. I think they're mints. And I'm pretty excited for those because we haven't gotten something
Some salt.
like that. We have 2 like little hot sauces, I think. Or
I think
wait,
they-
no,
wait.
that's like spread.
Is it chocolate of some kind? I thought.
Yeah, I think it's like chocolate. Maybe some chocolate pudding, maybe? I don't think you can really put that.
Oh, I think it's kind of like Nutella. I think it's kind of like a
Yeah.
chocolate hazelnut spread.
That's similar. It's got 3 spoons.
Really?
How many spoons do we need?
Well,
Jeez.
1 per meal. It's a 24-hour pack, so
Oh,
roughly
yeah.
3 meals. So it's kind of tough to say what we should eat at which meal
Because we don't know.
because we have no idea what's what. So I think, why don't we just pick 3 meals?
3?
Sure. So there's 3 of these. So I think it would be safe to do, 3.
3.
Here, let's just 1,
And then we can.
2.
I'll put these with. I don't know.
You can open one of those up now and taste it if you want to.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Here's a little insight onto the MRE. Let's do an insight.
Every meal will get a cracker. And maybe we'll do 4 things, because you know how a lot of times it's too much? We'll do 3 meals and a snack or something.
This. What is this?
So,
Okay, what is this? Ooh, that's strong. That smells exactly like a mint. I might eat those. Those are good.
yeah.
Those are low-key pretty good.
It's not a mint you would suck on. You
Oh, yeah.
can, well, you can, I suppose, if you want to, but you can bite right into it. It's not gum. It dissolves as soon as you bite it. But it's really good. I actually like these a lot.
Yeah. We should split those.
Okay.
Those
That's
are
cool.
good.
Glad there was something in this that Tommy liked. So I've got 3 main courses and 3 spreads. I don't know which is which. This one's a little bigger, so that'll be dinner. And then this one can be for snack. We've got maybe
Then we can, like,
a couple dessert spreads.
yeah.
What were you going to say, buddy? I'm sorry.
I was saying we could, like, just leave the sauces and ones that we, like, the sauces and powders. And if we think, like, we're pretty sure that there was, like, an unlabeled one that was just, like, this one we think is a drink, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that one we can put with a drink kind of meal. But, like, all of the spreads and stuff, or the toppings, we can put as we think we need them.
Okay, well, this seems like it's probably an isotonic drink, so I'll put that there. I'll put a tea with breakfast and a tea with lunch.
one of these.
Is there a coffee?
Quite good.
Oh, there's the coffee. Actually, coffee with breakfast and a tea with dinner. I guess, boy, there's a lot of sugar in these packs.
Yeah.
There's two 20 grams and a 10 gram. I'll put the 10 gram with the coffee. And I think, honestly, dude, I think maybe just keep the sugar separate. And if we want to use it for the tea, that's the only thing I can see that I would think that we would want to. Now, what is this, I wonder?
This, like, when you put this mint in your mouth, I'm, like, really focusing on the texture rather than the taste now. It feels like you would be able to, like, squish it and, like, gum, kind of. It feels like gum.
Okay. So, I think this is some kind of jam. I'm going to put it with the snack, I think. So each meal's got... Oh, and I forgot there's this bar.
You know what that feels like?
What? Dinner.
That feels like a gusher. It feels like all the flavor comes out once you bite it.
Okay, so I think that's what we're going to do. So we've got a breakfast, a lunch, a dinner, and a snack. We have no idea really, other than the crackers, what any of this stuff is. So I will... we have some salt and pepper too.
It doesn't matter if we
It's
take
too bad there's
salt and pepper.
It's too bad there's not more of those. These are, I'm guessing, are probably water purification tablets. Okay, so we have all this sugar. So we'll just keep the sugar set aside. I wish they'd give you a little more salt and pepper. They only give you that salt and pepper.
I wish they gave you 15 more packages of this.
But that didn't even come with the main meal though either.
Yeah, that was.
All right, so hopefully you guys agree. Oh, there is. Oh, there. Okay. So this one salt, one pepper. I was reading it wrong. So, all right, we got some salt and pepper. We got 3 of these gums or mints or whatever those are. So, all right. So why don't we? And we've got our stove. So we'll set up, and we will do the dinner, and we'll be ready to do the rest of them as we go. Right? Anything else?
Let's see if anything can beat these mints. Jeez.